Okay, James, let's talk about your old kitchen, your old bathroom, and this house you've owned for years. You still love your house, but things are getting a little dated. What's the process if I want to refinance my existing mortgage and get some cash to fix things up?
Yeah, there's a lot of good programs out there today for home improvement renovation type loans, especially like you mentioned, if you're in your home and maybe you were thinking about selling or buying something else with inventories as low as they are today, you may just be able to invest money in your current home and unlock a huge amount of equity because housing values have come back up, and by just doing the basics, kitchens, bathrooms, that type of renovation, you may unlock a huge potential equity in your home. So whether you're thinking about maybe selling and doing that, those type of projects first, or doing those improvements to your home and staying there for the long term, you can absolutely. There's great programs out there that you can do as little as 5% equity needed in that after appraised value. So let's say you have a currently have a mortgage of 300,000 and your house is worth 350, and with $100,000 renovation your home might be worth 500,000. So the 300 will pay off that $300,000 mortgage, give the 100,000, and now instead of 50,000 in equity you just created 100,000 in equity because that after appraised value is going to be closer to 500,000 based on comparable homes with newer kitchens and newer bathrooms in the area.
Cool, and this gives you a good option actually. If you're thinking you might want to sell in the next few years, maybe you do some upgrades first. Maybe you fall back in love with your house again.
That's right.
But if you don't, and you still decide you want to move, at least you've added value,
No
built in
question.
more equity, and this all isn't going to cost you much to do, right? The process is pretty.
Yeah, it actually works just like a refinance. So all of the costs can just be built into the loan.
Right. It's
So
not the out of pocket isn't
there's
isn't
no,
in.
yeah, there's very little or no out of pocket as long as that after appraised value is there.
Right.
We can build it all into the loan, and so uh, you know there hasn't been a lot of this product or programs out there for people other than, let's say, getting like a home improvement line of credit or something along that lines where the interest rates are much higher, and also those payback periods are much shorter. So people tend to shy away from those. But here it's a refinance. It's We can do a 30-year fixed interest rate, so there is no balloon or interest only period that then reamortizes into a fully amortized rate where you have to worry about payment shock down the road. It's treated just like a regular refinance, 30-year fixed, and you get the money that you need to fix your home.
Yeah, really cool idea, especially for people who are thinking about selling,
Yep,
who might be having trouble selling their existing home.
that's right.
This might be a nice option for realtors to share with their clients too. Maybe we should share this with some realtors.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, thanks.